What going me, G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome back, guys, to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? You know, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you don't feel no pain. And if you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, make sure the doctor come at you if you have the money. But if you're broke and not have no money, no problem. Ask somebody if you bring you to the doctor. And guys, remember, wellness check. Do some wellness check to your friends and your family. Make sure them alright. All your enemy too. And if you cook some extra for Miss Jane down the street and Uncle Jack across the river. And guys, you don't know mental health, you know. We have to work on the mental health. And guys, if today is your birthday, have a wonderful birthday. Happy birthday to you. If yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. Tomorrow your birthday, happy birthday when it come. Guys, you don't know me, I say thank you very much for I like the video, share the video. And guys, there's a new thing. Go and go hype up the video. Yeah, man, we go show you how to do that later on. Anyway, guys, you know, Rodney, which is me. I am a person who I don't beat around bush. And I just talk the truth. I don't like to tell lies. I don't like to talk when I go so. So I just talk the things. As a man, as I was a husband, I'm not an husband anymore. But I'm a father. And I have respect for everybody, man, woman, boys, and girls. I make a couple videos and I talk about what I know. Now, this video, I want to just talk something. And I really and truly, guys, I really and truly is going to really talk to ladies. And I'm going to talk to Khrista and a whole. Yes, me I go talk to Khrista and a whole. And my viewers and subscribers, I want to listen to what me I say now. Me I ask you to listen to what me I say. Make it make sense now. When me I say what me I say now. And if me I say wrong things, tell me say me I say wrong things. Now, when I come out with the video and I put out there the video of Khrista jail picture. Before I put that picture out there, I make video and I make a video. I make videos and I tell you what happened. Before I make that video, I get a call. And again, I'm going to say it. I get a call from Vibe Studio. And him tell me some of the picture. And I told him, I said to him, Vibe Studio, if you put that picture out there, it's not going to be good for this girl. I tell him. I make videos about it. I make videos about all these things. I warn this lady. I warn this lady. This lady take up herself, come out on social media over this little unscrupulous. I do not want to call nobody no name. And I said to her, I said, not me said, listen, they said that I don't know what I'm talking about. She said she don't even know me when I know everything about that lady. And I warn her, I warn her, I warn her. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I want all of you to sit down and think. All the people who is telling Khrista, oh yes, say your word, talk your things. All of who is pumping them up. Is this what you're pumping up Khrista to be getting? hold on, listen to me good. When I said to Khrista, and when I said to all of you out there, I said about Nari can't cool Khrista, because Khrista is like a hot dog cooler. When I said that, all of you believe I was joking. All of you believe I was joking. Remember when I made the video and I said I will not be talking anything about what Khrista been doing in her life? I'm going to allow Nari to do the talking. You all remember when I said that? Now you see the reason why I said those things. Because let me say this to you. All of the content creators who you see making videos, they don't know how to gather information. They don't know how to get information. They cannot access information. That's why they don't like me. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I saw the video that Nari make. And when I saw the video that Nari make, first, when I saw the video that Khrista did, I said to myself, this young lady have nothing named brains. And I said, this young lady don't even understand what she's doing to herself. Now, because I know what I know, I said, I wonder if Nari going to really answer to what she's saying. Because I know all what she's saying is lie. I know. Listen, my viewers and subscribers, I wish I did make videos about these things. So that means when Nari come out with it, you guys would say, how I know all those things. And let me say this. People been saying I get them from them. I have not get no information from none of them. I'm a loner. I am a loner. I work alone. Now, my viewers and subscribers, when I listen to the video that Nari put out there, I ask myself this question. How can you know that these things happen in your life with Nari, but yet still you're coming out here telling lies and trying to beat down Nari, who have so much information on you, about you, that can damage you? How can you keep making these videos? How can you make these people? Notice the video that Nari make. Notice how much of them come out and says, Nari said, you give him STD. Do you notice how much of them run with it? They didn't take it off the internet. They run with it on the internet. So guess what? That's more things out there with your name, Khrista, saying that the husband said you give him STD. Now tell me something now. You is the one who know if you give him STD, and he is the one who know that you give him STD. So now you see what I'm saying? It's your word against his. So what you have to do now, or what you going to do now, you're going to come out and says, oh, he's telling a lie. Listen to what I'm saying to you. And I'm not talking on the behalf of you. Just know that. I'm saying to you, be a woman. Be a woman. Come off the internet. Go sit down. Go reconstruct your life. Try to be a person. This is your third marriage. Go and sit down and think about your dignity. Go and sit down and take accountability for your action. Go home. Sit down. Come off the internet for a little bit. Sit down. Ask yourself the question, why did I make this mistake? Because let me tell you something. Nari said, every time you come out and tell lie, he's coming out. And let me say this to you. Nari have a whole library upon you. And I'm saying to you, honestly, I'm not talking on the behalf of you. This is just a message to you, you know. Have some dignity. Have some moral. And please have some standard. Because this is at a level of low. To have your name on social media about STDs and up till now, what you're talking about, you find number in his phone, there is nothing you can really prove. If you find a text message in his phone that says Kim on it, there's how much Kim is in the world? Millions. Did it say Alicia Kim? If it says Alicia Kim, you can show it and says, yes, it says Alicia Kim. But if it didn't say that, then there's nothing for you to prove. Stop make these nincompoops draw you out, pull you out, and put you out in the middle of the square for people to laugh at you. And I'm just being honest. I'm just being very, very, very honest. I could be beating like a ball. I could be using all what Nari said and beat you like a ball. I could be doing that. Nari said the relationship, the marriage finished from 2022 because 2022 is when all that happened. You imagine 2022, you married to a man and you going to talk to them, you going to tell him about a hope marriage. Because as me said, remember people, me did say this, you know. Can't cool, can't quench. This woman can't cool. And this is what I was told. Listen what I was told. I was told that no man can cool that woman when it come on to the intercourse. Because that woman loved that thing gone to Jesus up heaven. That's what I was told. You say you don't know me. I don't know you, but you think nobody don't know you. And that's why I don't tell people my business. Because that person know that person know that person. You have to remember New Jersey, New York and all them places full of Jamaicans. Always remember that. Always remember that. My viewers and subscribers, when I listen to what Nari is saying, the relationship ended 2022. He tried, even though with the STD, he still tried. But I go say this. And I go be honest. It's really, really, really a shame. Wow. It's really a shame. And you know, Khrista and all of you out there, this is where the problem is. You all know that Nari is not a talker. And Nari is not a person who like to come forth and talk and all kind of things. And because you all know that, you all decided to come out and embarrass him. Yeah. And because You all know that you all make videos. And now Nari is coming out. I wonder how you really feel, Khrista, to know that that specific thing Nari say exactly what mash up the relationship. And Nari said the physical abuse start from 2022. And guess what? Not one of the content creator make a video about what Nari said the physical abuse started in 2022. All of them run with that specific section of it about STD. Every single one of them run with that section that says STD. Not one of them is protecting you. All they run with is the part that says STD. Now, listen. Nari's wife, Nari said his wife give him STD. Who is Nari's wife? You, Khrista. Because what? You cause in all of this. You start all of this because you're the one who give the picture. And when I tell them, listen, I tell him not to do it. I said to him, do not put out that picture out there. I told him. And he thought I was bluffing. He thought I was joking. So he put it out there because you don't know. All they talk about and worry about is money. My viewers and subscribers, when you're in a relationship and you have a woman and the woman come to you and says, she want to try a open marriage. If a lot of you don't know what an open marriage is you the woman see who you want to see, you the man see who you want to see. When a woman come to you and tell you an open marriage, that woman is already seeing people, but just want you to see if you could be a part of it, because she wants to be a little bit more free and doing what she's doing. When you have a man and you're married to a man and are a woman, and you and that woman don't have sexual intercourse 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, and she's not sick, that's a problem. 4 week, 5 week, 6 week, that's a problem. If you don't have anywhere to go and do your business, and you can't even rent a hotel room to go do your business, that's a problem. Nari says 16 months they did not have any intercourse, which she sent him a message and says 16 months and we haven't have any intercourse. 16 months. If you and a man is together and 16 days pass and you and him or she doesn't have intercourse, then there's a problem. A big one. 16 months. You must know that relationship finish. During that 16 months, what you, Khrista, was doing during that 16 months, you was sexual active. As you say it, not one, not two, not three, not four, severals. Amen. You said that to show you does not have any moral or standard to yourself. What are you doing to yourself as a lady, as a woman, as a wife, as a mother, as somebody child? What are you doing to yourself on the internet? Look where it reach. Look where it reach. You taking this thing for a joke? You have a husband, and then you have another person who is saying how good you is. When you and the husband have dialogue about that same individual and how bad that individual is. Now, Make all that make sense. My viewers and subscribers, I really didn't come out here to bash her. Because I'm going to say this. I have kids. I have 3 daughters. I have 3 daughters. And I do not want anything to happen bad to any of my kids. I do not want to see they go into a relationship and it get bad and so on, all these things. I don't want to see that for my kids, and I don't want to see that for nobody. I am a parent. I am a parent. And when I sit down and I listen to what both of them it really stand me up a little bit to say, because as far as I'm concerned, they trouble Nari. So it's like a lion is sleeping and you jump into his sleeping den, running up and down, making noise, waking him up. And when he wakes, he just starts to tear you apart. So what I'm saying to you, Khrista, take a step back. Look into yourself. Ask yourself the question, is this what you want to have on social media about you? Is this the social media that you wanted to be a part of? Because let me tell you something. All them videos that make with your name in it, they will be on the internet forever. It doesn't matter if Nari take them down or anybody take down them videos. Because guess what? There's a thing called screen record. I love it. I record everything. And I don't care who record me. Because anything comes out of my mouth, I can stand up to it. Because I say it. Because I want to, or I can say it. But my viewers and subscribers, I hope you understand my point in this. It's just that I believe ladies should stand up, put themselves at a higher level, at a higher standard in life. If you know that a man knows certain things about you, why would you come out on the internet, chastise that man, beating down that man when you know that man knows a lot about you? Why would you do that? I do not see the reason why would you do all those things when you know this man know everything about you, have these things in his pocket. He show you videos of you going to that man's house and you still went out to talk more things. He said to you, stop, or else I'm going to. Because his parents die. So he's just living. He doesn't have anybody to feel embarrassed. Now, how do you believe that your family member feels. How do you think your family member feel today when they're watching those videos? Or when they're seeing what's going on? Or when they're hearing what's going on? Answer that question. How do you feel? My viewers and subscribers, now say a word, peace and love, manners and respect, stay blessed, go and do nothing, and just enjoy life. You know, enjoy life to the fullest. That's all I have for now today. Just a message. I'm out.